My son and I decided to kick off Christmas vacation with some good old father son bonding, which then turned into a classic father son competition. We decided to see who could make the better pen. He went with a classic buyout blue and white swirl pattern acrylic pen blank, while I chose one of my custom epoxy Christmas inspired pen blanks. We each believe that we are the better turner. We are going to leave it up to you to determine who made the better pen. All you have to do is leave a comment below and say which person made the better pen. Me, the father, or him, the son. Check out the final reveal at the very end of this video and cast your vote.